Hello everyone, today we talk about Word Hunter. Our favorite game website, Essay World, organized a new event, Essay World Bird Hunter event. Here are the details. In progress, start in 23 July and end in 30 July. So there is the leaderboard and here description. Just enter the code Hunter, win reward pool 5000 ASG, prize pool here top 1 to top 30. So this is the overview, basic overview. Now right now we click on play. Let's start playing. Enter your code Hunter, HUNTER, Hunter. Click submit. Now you are in. Let's wait. Just started our game. Okay, here the game is starting. So this is our essay world event and we definitely participate this event and win the reward in ASG tokens. And you know that ASG our gaming token and our governance token in essay world is ASE. So we just wait here. Word hunted game open. Just wait for 10, I think 2 and 3 minutes because my network is very slow. That I'm facing network issue. So let's wait 20%, 21%. Let's okay, done. Here the game started. Bird Hunter event and game Bird Hunter. Oh my god, my network issue again and again and again. Okay, let's play. Here game start. Okay, how to play? Just click and click. Oh my god, I lost. Oh, let's play again. Okay, just click here. How to play? Okay. I understand. Just click on words. Okay. Okay, just click on birds and get points. Okay, highest score 3. Okay, second. Now I understand the game. Let's play. Oh wow. Click tap. Oh, again I lost. 8 maximum, highest score 8. Now practice again. Okay, so that's the game. Hope you understand. Just play the game and get the top rank and start your getting rewards. So this is my overview and how to play the Word Hunter game from my side. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you. My highest score 31. Thank you everyone. Thank you.